Oh, this is gonna be special. This is the first time in North America that this has been done. My name is Flo.
And my name is Mentor, and we're from CanAuto Performance.
This is our brand new SQ5 that we just added to our fleet of cars.
So we noticed that the S4 and S5 community gets a lot of love, but we feel that the SQ5 community gets neglected. So we got two new SQ5s, our B9.5 and our new B9 SQ5.
And we're gonna be starting a series where we're going to exclusively mod this car with all of our parts. DIY installation videos and talking to you about the differences of our product line.
And today we're going to show you how to install the first dry carbon front bumper lip for the Q5 S line and SQ5.
Just to clarify, it's for the stock OEM bumper.
So this is our dry carbon front lip, and as you can see, it is a 3-piece lip and all the hardware comes included with it.
And again, this is a dry carbon front lip. It's extremely durable, the weave is beautiful, and it's so light, like you have to hold it to really understand how light this is. And because it's so durable, it's not really like those thimble gloss black lips that you're gonna have to replace 2 to 3 times a year because they can't withstand, all of the stuff that's hitting it.
And it's an amazing beginner mod for your SQ5 to add a bit more aggressiveness and sleekness to it. And it's very easy to install as well.
If you're not trying to go like over the top with your mods.
Okay, so this is a 3-piece lip, so you're gonna attach the pieces together using this fastener. You just slip it on and line it up with the holes. And there's gonna be 3 holes for each side. Okay, and all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. So put the bolt through the fastener and just secure it. Now do the same on the other side. Okay, this is the dry carbon front bumper lip assembled together. And as you can see, there's 15 pre-drilled holes. So all you need to do now is just line it up to the bumper and use the hardware that we have and put it on.
Wait. Something is missing here. Something is missing here. Just hold on 1 second. Hold on. Oh, yeah. This is more like it.
Yeah, you're right, man. Okay, now we just go to the install.
Yeah.
Alright guys, and that's how easy it is to install our dry carbon front bumper lip for the B9 SQ5.
As you can see, this really gives the OEM bumper a more aggressive look. And this is the perfect mod for those of you that don't want to overdo it. Make sure you follow cap.sq5r on Instagram because we're going to be documenting all of the upgrades that we're going to be putting on this car, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get the full build. Look at that. Oh yeah. Guys, my name is Flo.
And my name is Mentor.
And we're from the CanAuto. The pointing was crazy.
You did, I thought we were doing it. To the S4 and S5 community getting a lot of love, and we feel that the SQ5 community gets neglected.
That was ass, bro. I'm not even capping.
Yes,
You're too nervous.
Yeah,